All right, so ping pong is fun, but this is more important. So I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets. This is Junior. We're about to give away a whole bunch of stuff.
So RBP and Custom Offsets have come together with Nine Line Apparel, offering the Super Badass Tee as one of the ways you get entered to win. What are you winning exactly? A full build by RBP. Thank you, Fuller.
You're welcome.
So it's RBP wheels, RBP tires, and an RBP lift kit. Winner gets that. Second place, you get a $500 accessories gift card for any RBP accessories.
Yeah, and it's super easy to get entered. So obviously we have the shirt. If you want to automatically get entered to win, come up to the website. It's customoffsets.com/RBP. You pick one of these up and you're automatically entered. Now the other cool thing with the shirt is by you grabbing one of the shirts from us, you're helping us make a contribution at the end of this contest to give back to COPS. And if you're not familiar with them, it stands for Concerns of Police Survivors. So basically, you know, every year there's hundreds of law enforcement officers that die in the line of duty, and COPS is out there to help support their families after that tragedy. So it's super cool that we're able to give back to that organization.
And so this giveaway is going to go until December 7th. That's the last time you're going to be able to get this super awesome long sleeve Custom Offsets RBP 9-line t-shirt, and then they're gone.
And I gotta say, you know, most people don't like the way a long sleeve fits, or they can't find one that fits them well, but I'm super impressed with these from Nine Line. It's actually like an athletic fit long sleeve, and they're super comfy, and I'm really happy with them.
And they're all made by Nine Line down in Georgia. They are veteran, operated, owned, all of that fun stuff. We love partnering with them. They're a great group of guys to work with. So yeah, RBP wheels, RBP tires, RBP lift kit. December 7th is your last chance to enter to win. I am winded from our ping pong game, not gonna lie. December 7th is your last chance to get entered to win. We're gonna go live down in Savannah, Georgia at the Nine Line headquarters to give away our first place, second place, and some other goodies too. So.
Awesome. Coming off the website, customoffsets.com/RBP. Grab your shirt, you're automatically entered to win. Peace.